came to on those voyages. Hidden in what some would call Anansi tales, spoken through proverbs, echoed in church choirs and tribal dances and rhythms. It survived. We survived. Now, I'm not going to sit here and act like colonialism didn't silence many voices, because it did. Burn the drums, ban the tongues, and try to erase the word carriers. Yet some whispers never die. In every lyric, in every poem or rhythm, every dancehall or hip-hop song that hits like a prophecy, yeah, the griots live on. Artists like Chronix, they don't just sing, they testify. Their voices ring through like ancient bells, calling us back to the soil. Sometimes it's the struggle, but most of the time it's to the source. This episode is, again, not about the griots we know, but the ones we forgot. The grandmothers who told the stories under